In my demonstration, I'm going to use MSP430G2553 microcontroller. At reset there is a 5 volt. At P1.2 there is a LED through resistor 330 ohm, and at P2.1 there is a switch button. If I run it, then my requirement is that I should able to control my LED by using this switch. So let's start with first Energia. So search Energia first. Energia MSP430. There are number of links. So open energia.nu. Go to the download. In the download there are multiple links. I am downloading now Energia 1.8.7 E21. So click on it and it will ask for saving the file. In my case it is already downloaded, so I will not download it once again. So I will cancel the download. Now I will go to the folder, and here is my file. I have to extract this file, so right click on it, click on extract files. Once extracting is done, a folder will be created with the same name. So in my case it is already created, so I will go to the file, I will go to the folder and I will open this folder. There are multiple files. You will see there is an icon. It is an application file. You have to open it, and if you observe closely you will find that this IDE is similar to the Arduino IDE. Here I have to write the code. According to my requirement, I am going to control this LED by using this push button. So I have to describe these two pins first. There are multiple ways of describing the pins in IDE. So for that I will search this thing onto the internet. So I will say MSP430G2553 pinout diagram. Then I will open this. I will go to the bottom. As I told you, I am going to use P1.2. When you are describing P1.2, you have to use P1_2. Otherwise I can use number 4 as well. Similar way I am going to use P2.1, so I can describe it by using P2_1, or I can use number 9. So there are two different ways. Anyway I can use it. So I will go to the Energia IDE, and here I will write my code. So here is my code. So I have given name button to pin P2_1, whereas I have given name LED to the pin P1_2. Now as I am writing this program for MSP430G2553, so select this board. So go to the board and select this board. Then only you should go ahead. Like verification and uploading should be done after selecting the proper board. So I can save this file and I can store it in one of the folder. Let's say I am creating a folder on the desktop. Let's say simulation, and I am going to store everything into this folder. So now programming is a very simple, as like a Arduino IDE, so I will not describe each and every line. So now just I have to verify it whether there is any error or not. In my case right now there is no error, and once it is done, now you can observe one thing. So in this folder it is my file, but still hex file is not created. So I will go to the sketch, then I will click on export compiled binary. Once it is done, then a hex file will be created. Here is the hex file. Now I have to use this hex file for my Proteus simulation. So now I will go to the Proteus. This is my Proteus file. I have stored this file in same folder. The name of the folder was a simulation. I can show it here. This is my Proteus file. Now I will open Proteus. I will double click on the controller. It will ask for me of which file you have to link for the required simulation. So in my case there is a folder simulation, there is a folder of Energia. I have to click on this hex file, and now you have to open and then say OK. Once it is done, you can run the simulation. Now if you observe, as I am changing the position of switch, so automatically LED will turn on and turn off. So thanks for watching the video.